Hey people, hope you guys are all having a wonderful day. Today I wanted to make a quick little tutorial on how to roll a cigarette. Alright, I have smoked for, let's say, 18 years or something like that. So I'm quite proficient and almost an expert at rolling cigarettes, right? So the first thing you're going to need is papers, of course. And the other thing that you're going to need is tobacco. Now, what tobacco you guys want to use, this will affect how, if you're like a beginner and you're having a hard time rolling a cigarette, it might be due to the tobacco that you're using. Some of the cheaper tobacco will come with more chemicals in it. There's a lot of things that can come into it which might end up making it more difficult, but the tobacco that I use is amber leaf, right? This is a British tobacco. It's quite high quality. It's dry enough. A lot of people use like American Spirit and stuff like that, but that stuff's cut with shit anyways and is incredibly dry. If you're wanting dried out tobacco, you sort of have to make it yourself. So yeah, things that you're going to need: papers, hopefully amber leaf. Generally, you want to start off with sort of medium thickness paper. As you go up, you might want to go on to thinner paper. Paper is not good to inhale, just in general, so you want to use the least amount of paper as possible. Now, the method that I'm going to show you how to roll a cigarette is good for cigarettes, and it's also good for marijuana or joints, whatever, you know. So first thing you want to do is pull out two skins. You can also get long skins and stuff like that. I think they're a waste of money generally, unless they're like tobacco or whatever. But yeah, you want two skins and you want to put them like this in like an L shape. You want the gum aligned with the bottom, right? And so you just do this and you put, you lick the skin at the bottom and you get this kind of layout, right? Next, what you want to do is take a piece of cardboard. Generally you want something with not a lot of ink on it. You want, since this is going to be so close to fire, you want to not have like any shit on it, right? Because you could end up inhaling it, and if it's bad, it's bad. You can also buy pre-roach and stuff like that, or you can use filters, which all good options. But the thing with filters is that they're often weird in size. But what I like to do, and you don't have to do this either, you can roll it with the skin, inside the skin or outside the skin. So we put this here, right? I've got some tobacco here, got it here. Now when we're putting down the tobacco, we want to sort of thin it out by ripping it as thin as possible and sort of spread it out evenly. Right, so you want to tear it and sort of rip it out until it's spread evenly. If it's still wet, it will be hard to tear up, but as you can see here, we've got all done. Now, what you want to do is sort of evenly spread it out so that like you've got the roach in and the tobacco. So you've got like this, right? So we've got it. This is where the roach is, and we've got like tobacco here. Spread it out evenly, right? Right, and we go here, and we've got it here. Fold it, and then we just keep on folding it, and then you get to the gum part. Just lick the gum. Right. And we've got a cigarette. And this is the easiest way to roll cigarettes in the world. You can put more in, you can put less in. Not a lot of tobacco is needed for a 2 skin. It only uses 2 skins, so that's not a lot of skins, not a lot of paper you're smoking. And this is just perfect for anything. You can make it wider, you can make it longer, and you rip off the top a little bit shorter, you know. Now if you want to smoke it, you might want to like roll it again a bit to make sure there's no like congestion in each of the bits. But yeah, if you're doing it without the roach, you can like sort of slide the roach in. I can't take it out because I've done it so well, but you can sort of slide the roach in if you've done it without the roach. You might want to do it without the roach when you're beginning, and then make the roach for the shape. But yeah, this is how to roll a cigarette. I hope this has been helpful, and I hope you guys have a wonderful day. Ciao, ciao. Bye.